Hello and welcome to this lesson where I'm going to be talking about exposing yourself to the market to be able to improve your trading. So I've been talking with some of the people on the social media and on the community, and some of some of the people have been doing trading for 2 years and they're not finding success. Some of the people are doing it for 3 years and 4 years and 5 years and they're not finding success. So the question I usually go back to is how many New York sessions and London sessions have you seen during those 3 years or 4 years that you have not seen success? Because I'm correlating this by going to the gym. If you are consistent by going to the gym, you will see people being at the gym consistently, right? You only see people in the gym going to the gym consistently by you doing it. If you go to the gym every day, you will eventually see results. There's a story that I can share with you is my wife went to a spinning class with her friend, and next to them in the class they saw a guy who was really overweight sitting next to them, and they kind of felt sorry for him. Then they nodded, "Hey, how are you? How are you?" You know, they felt that need to say hello to him. But as soon as she told me this, I told her, respect to that guy because he's showing up. He's taking it seriously. Winning or losing does not matter. He's showing up consistently. Now, a year went by, and they went to the same class again. So they went to the same class a year after that, and they grabbed their bike, their spinning bike, and they washed to the right, and he said hello. There's a guy on the right. He said hello. Hey, how are you? Long time no see. And my wife said, like, do we know each other? Have we went to school together or something like that? And he said, no, I'm the guy that you met a year ago. And she didn't recognize him because he had lost all his weight. He had gotten into shape, and she was just amazed because how quickly he changed in 1 year. He was that overweight. She didn't even recognize him. Why? Because he showed up. He showed up to the market. He showed up to the spinning class consistently every day for a whole year. And now people don't recognize him. So this is what I'm saying. Expose yourself to the market. Watch London session if you can. Watch New York session if you can, live on a daily basis for 1 or 2 years, and I guarantee you that your trading will improve. I guarantee you. Because it's like just your back of your hand. Because this is what I did in the beginning. I'm always think let me just this is like a back of your hand. You know exactly how the back of your hand is looking because you've seen it every day. You see it every day. And this is what makes it uh, um, so familiar to you. That is why I'm only trading two symbols. I'm trading the DAX and I'm trading the Nasdaq. I'm trading them on the London session and the New York session. Now, there is gold, there is the S&P 500, there is Forex, GBP, USD, GBP, like all of these symbols. There are so many, but I wanted to narrow it down to make it easy for myself to just follow two symbols, London session, New York session, and I know them so well because I've seen them for so many years. It's like I'm married to those two, right? I'm married to the DAX and I'm married to the Nasdaq because those are the ones that I can trade because I know how they move. I know almost their personality because I've been exposing myself to those symbols over and over and over again for a couple of years, and it makes me know them. That's what it makes. My friend the other day, he told me, "How do you know where the market is going to move?" I told him because I've seen it so many times. I've been in, like I haven't seen the DAX and gold and Forex and Bitcoin and all these things. I've seen these two for so long, for so many times. And this is how you get market IQ or market knowledge because you've seen it. You almost get a sixth sense of where the market is moving. And now when I look at the market, I can just see, oh, this is going to take a while today. I'm going to be sitting here till 11 o'clock. This is going to take 2 hours. Or I'm going to maybe sit here for 2 hours and there's no setup that's going to appear because I know it so well. Because I just followed these and I exposed myself to the market. And that is why I recommend you do. You need to expose yourself to the market. So if you've been trading for 5 years and not seen any results, and I go back and ask you like how many New York sessions and London sessions have you seen for the past 5 years? And if you put them all together, it's like 6 months because you work Monday to Thursday and you're only in the market maybe Tuesday and then Friday when you're working from home. So you're basically just watching the market 8 times a month, while the other person is watching a London session, New York session twice a day, two symbols. It's more focused. It's 100x more than the person just watching the market on Tuesday and Friday, or even more than more x to 100x. Do you know what I mean? So the more you expose yourself to the market, the more exposure you have to the symbols that you are trading, the better market intuition and market IQ you will have. All right, that's about it for this lesson. Um, Feel free to check in what you learned from this. This is not the correct expo yourself. Feel free to comment down below in the comment section below one sentence what you learned from exposing yourself to the market and share it below with the community. And I will love it if you follow me on YouTube, Instagram, and join the school community if you haven't done it already. But comment, leave a short comment on the YouTube videos, and I will love that because it will just boost the algorithm. And like the video also, I would love that because it will really help me out in the YouTube space. All right. Thank you so much for watching this video. Hope you got some value out of this. And don't forget to expose yourself to the market and talk to you in the next lesson. Bye.